In-person tax training. G'day, Peter Johnson here from Advisors Digest. Sometimes you want to do your CPD in person. When you're on a computer, you get distracted, but when you're live, you take more notice. And if that's you, then why not have a look at Advisors Digest's tax training days. Now we hold 3 during the year, but we've still got 2 to go. In July, over 7 hours. We open with, when should you put capital assets in a company? That's challenging some standard thinking, isn't it? Then we've got 3 hours on testamentary trusts and their uses, and we close each of our tax training days with a 3-hour tax update to cover what's happened in the industry over the past 3 months. Then our second, in October, we open with paying a small business capital gain out of a unit trust. What's the process to do that? 3 hours on CGT rollovers, and then again a 3-hour tax update. In the CBD in Sydney. Want to find out more? Click on the button below. I look forward to seeing you in our training.